one muna natin, syempre, eto daw. Para kay Belle, sabi ni Kay Santos 44, yun ang kanyang handle. Belle, kailan mo balak magpalit ng internet? Charing.
Umayos na internet ko ngayon. Umayos na.
Actually, bakit? Anong ginawa mo?
Pinasa ko sa'yo.
Kayo? Pinag-lagay.
Ganon.
Joke na. Diba? Pala ba?
Ganon.
Wait lang. Ayan. Ito naman to. All system open. Tinan mo
Ay,
yan.
puro mukha niya. Totoo. At hindi binura ha, ibig sabihin naka 5150.
Oo naman.
He's into her. He's into her. He's into her. He's into her.
Yun! Palaban din ng ano natin.
I'm addicted to.
I'm in a field of dandelions, wishing on everyone that you would be mine.
If you let things out of your world, there'll be one less lonely girl. Saw so many pretty faces. Now all I see is you. I'm coming for you. Don't need these other pretty faces like I need you. And when you're mine in the world, there's gonna be one less lonely girl.
Hindi naman kasi mahirap eh. Ano mo yun? Magkagusto ko kay Belle. Kasi lahat naman nasa kanya. Wow!
With you, baby, it's alright. I'll be right by your side. No need to cry out loud. Nothing to cry about. Baby, it's alright. I'll be just by your side. I'll keep you on my side. I'll never leave till you sleep tonight.
Thanks, Belle.
Thank you, Donnie.
Kami ni
Mabuting
Belle.
usapan
O bakit?
naman, ha?
Kayo, hindi kayo sasag.
Yes, I've gone beyond existing. And it all began when I met you. When I met you, you gave me a reason
namin.
Meanwhile,
Alam mo ba, yun yung locker ko, Bel?
Yeah, yung anong, yung nasa ano tayo? Yung scene na yun?
Yun mismo yung aisle ng locker ko. So that's
What?
where I would go every day, yeah. To put my books and stuff.
When to expect you, there you go. Is this a dream? Looking like every picture that I've seen.
Dave Lore and Jason.
Ikaw na lang ang katabi ngayong gabi. O pwede tayong magpabaga pag nalalamig. Ang magdamag na kasindi buong gabi. Naghahanap kasi ng tama ang nagkama.
And I am just a boy singing. She's a lady, and I'm just a line without a her. Baby, I am a wreck when I'm without you. I need you here to stay.
Lots of people have been saying because of this project, bagay kayong dalawa, ang ganda ng chemistry nyo, nakaka-in-love kayong dalawa. But I want to ask you guys, and I want it to come from you. Sa tingin nyo ba, kayong dalawa, bagay para sa isa't isa?
Grabe naman yung tanong na yun, Kuya Robby. Donnie, ikaw muna.
Donnie, ikaw muna, ikaw lalaki.
Good afternoon, Pamilya. Thank you for joining us today. Ano yung tanong ulit? Sorry, Choppy.
Anong chubby? Narinig mo yan, narinig ng lahat yan.
Oo naman. Oh, Bel, ikaw naman.
But sweet, a resounding yes.
Wala nang explanation. Oo naman yung sagot.
Okay. I will accept that one. Bel.
Oo naman.
Gaya-gaya lang eh.
Oh. Eh baka kasi naman, yun naman ang nararamdaman dito sa isa't isa. Mamaya na.
On cam versus off cam. My toes and I crinkle my nose. Wherever it goes, I always know that you make me smile. Please stay for a while now. Just take your time wherever you go. The rain is falling on my window pane.
She's an icon, she's a legend, and she is the moment. Now come on now. Ladies and gentlemen, her.
I hate love, but if
How do you know if you're in love? You just know.
Bel, of course, a lot of those memories will be with you soon because we're doing a lot of projects together. So thank you for being there to support me as well, and can't wait to spend more projects with you.
So I think she's very inspired to prove them wrong, and I believe she can do that. And you like that.
Baby, all I want is you. In the middle of the night, I've been thinking about you like, baby, oh. Our love will never end, no. You'll always be a part of me. I'm proud of you indefinitely. shake me. Ooh, darling, 'cause you'll always be my baby.
Lightning, babae, true love. Eh, nung alam mo sa love, ha? Eh, wala kang hindi kaunting malasakit para sa ibang tao. Anong alam mo sa love? Eh, iisa lang ang mahal mo. Sarili mo. At sa sobrang pagmamahal mo sa sarili mo, talagang makakapatay na yan. Really?
I want you to take me home, I'm falling. Love me along, I'm rolling. Losing control, body and soul. Meant to for sure, I'm already yours. Shout it out, baby, just shout it out, yeah. And if you want me to, let's make a move, yeah. So tell me, girl, if every time we touch, you get this kind of rush, baby, say yeah, 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 yeah. If you don't wanna take it slow, and you just
And I think that's what I like most about her is that she's just very easy to work with, very supportive. And I even tell her all the time, ang galing niya talaga. Wala na akong masabi. And from the very beginning naman I believed in her and I told even people who probably doubted her that kaya ni Belle. And I think makita nila dito. Okay?
Grabe naman. Thank you.
Happy sagot?